Hi, my name is Jessie, and I'm going to be going over how to fill out your health history form in the Medicat Health portal. This is a required form and must be completed prior to moving onto campus or starting your classes at New England College. This form is for incoming students only. Please note that there's a 60-minute time limit on the form itself. After the 60 minutes have passed by, you'll be logged out and have to begin the form again if you did not complete it. There are 4 tabs on the top of this form, and you need to complete the questions in each of these tabs. You're required to complete all of the questions on the form that have a red asterisk after them, which is most of the questions. If you're unsure of an answer, please select yes and enter an explanation. The questions on this form use direct entry boxes or drop-down entries. At the end of this form, you will be asked to check a box to attest that you have answered all the questions accurately to the best of your knowledge. Then you can go ahead and hit submit. The form will be reviewed by wellness staff and will only be able to be accepted if all the questions have been answered. If you accidentally hit submit without completing all the questions, don't worry. You will be able to restart the form from the beginning again in 24 hours once the system resets.